This is a classifier, and the way this works, you take a bucket, and I like to prospect this way. I take a bucket, have it with me, and a shovel in my van, and I see something down on the road that I think, wow, there might be some gold there. I can shovel some gravel in there. And you see what I just did?
Yep.
I got rid of all the big rocks. And so when I take it all back over here to pan, I got more gravel.
Hey, Dad.
I've got more gravel. All right. So that's and this is all panable stuff. So I can run it through the sluice box and I have twice as much material. Back in the old days, they didn't have plastic, but they had metal.
You get the sand.
And they made their own.
20 bullet holes.
I think it's bullet holes, don't you?
Yeah.
I always like to say I got another pan without holes, and I want to prove it's bullet holes, but I haven't found anyone to hold the pan yet. all the little boys volunteer their sister. And then you find out if there's spousal problems too, who gets volunteered. But anyhow, what you do with this, it's another way to prospect. I put a pan underneath that.
Oh.
And holding that pan underneath, I'll come over here to this water. See there, I'm holding it underneath. Look at that. Got rid of all the big rocks. Nugget. Now I don't find them. But I have panable dirt here. So on the creek, if you want to fast pan something, rocks are hard when you pan. The very number one thing about panning is you hold this angle here and you shake it up real good. I know where the gold is going to go in there, so I'm going to do this slow so you can see it. Shake it up like that. The gold's in the deepest part of that sand, so all this on top I need to get rid of. And like I said, I'm going to do this slow so you can see how it's done. I am doing it slow, by the way. It took me 3 hours to do my first pan.
Took us 3 hours to do our first bucket.
And you see this gold showing up there? Did you see it?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at that gold.
Wow.
Just like that.
You see it? Got gold.
Man.
All right. Something, you go to these places that teach you how to pan, they give you a bucket and all that stuff, and there's some of the biggest tourist traps. They're going to sit there, and if you do this, they're going to tell you, no, that's not the way to do it. They want you to go like this, around and around. Look where my gold is.
All around.
It's everywhere. Have absolutely no control. But if I go like this, look at where the gold went. And another thing they're going to teach you to do is to get rid of your dirt like this. Look at that gold. It comes in from the bottom. I'll lose half my gold. They want to get all their money back. And if you do it the way I'm going to show you to do it, like this, look at that. I can try all I want. I can't hardly get that gold to move. Look.
It's all in the angle.
See there? I'm just there's one piece moving. But where did it go? It didn't go past. We had pieces up here. See there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I see that piece go. I just tap it back down there, and I can clean this out so I have it sellable stuff.
That's awesome.
And there's a few places in the state, if you do it the way I'm showing, they said, no, you can't do it that way. They don't want you to do it that way because they know that they want half the gold down there. So now you know. That's how to do it.
That's
pretty cool.
You got in 30 seconds what we got in an hour and a half.
Yeah, well.
Or that's even.
Now I'm going to be real honest.
Is there more in there?
No. I'm ready for my next show.
That was a good show. We sure appreciate it.
But I have to have gold in my pan in order to be able to teach that about what to do. So yeah, it was already in there. It'll be hidden under this dirt, dry.